Ain't gonna lie, I forgot to do my intro. Monday, it's the day, like I say. About to move this man car out the way, get mine backed out, and then shit. Wait on boy to get here. Like I say, this is the day for that wire up, you heard? These wheels that this fool got, man, so he told me to test them on so I can be more jealous. I bet.
So for some reason this fool be acting like he don't know how to vlog without my assistance and shit, so here we go. I'm gonna jump in his vlog and help him make this shit a little bit more interesting.
Hey, you my assistant today, nigga?
Man. Now I bet you just from that clip right there compared to all his other ones, you're gonna be like, damn, Aaron got some energy. This nigga be all, I'd be like, bruh, you need to do this. You need to do that. This nigga don't listen.
I'll be lag, huh?
Yeah, get your ass over there. Take these wheels off.
Gotta jack this thing up, right? That's how my bed sounds sometimes.
Yeah, right.
Nah, it don't sound like that.
That's how your prison bed was sounding.
Nah, fuck you, ho. Come on, blood.
Is one nut on there still?
Yeah.
Hurry up. Test with these Johns. When do coming? Oh, come on, yo.
Oh, don't tell me. I need a stick. You might as well turn that off.
Pull your goddamn pants up on your ass, boy. Better not be sagging around my granny. Granny gonna be on your ass like that nigga was in, like that nigga was in jail. It was on them cheeks. Bruh, crawl under there.
Hell no. I didn't bring my dirty clothes.
Man, you got a $5 white tee on. If you don't crawl under that car, crawl under there. Get under there.
$5, motherfucker.
This nigga come to work on his car trying to be cute.
Nah, I wasn't about to work on it, nigga. Somebody was coming to pick this motherfucker up.
Man.
What?
This nigga, man.
Stick, man. About to go up under there?
Yeah, cause you ain't going under there.
What? That's my dog. Finally, I got this nigga to do something.
I be chilling, bro.
I know, chilling.
See, I'm here. I ain't even vlogging, so.
I know you.
Hold on. All I did today was I came here and I put the roof wing on the FD. That's all I did. I had this roof wing sitting for like the last probably 2 months, and I ain't put it on. When Paradox wrapped the car, he wrapped the wing, and I never threw it on. So today I was like, you know what? I'm gonna throw this thing on. I haven't even drove it. Figure it was a good day to, you know, bring the FD out and just drive it and cruise.
I know, I haven't seen that in a minute.
I've been, man, chilling now. I've been doing so much vet stuff, and then after drifting this thing, I'm tired today. I just wanted to come here and relax. Boy.
Hey, we did that.
We didn't do nothing.
Yeah, we did.
We didn't do, I don't know what you talking about. Swing check. Yeah, get these Johns on. Let's see what these jammies looking like.
Up on here.
Come on, blood. It's gonna rub a little bit, but that's what a little fender pull for.
Yeah.
Honestly, they look like the like a deep dish, I guess, like saline wheel or Cobra wheel. Not the Cobra R, but the, you know, the other ones.
Yeah. Wow.
You'd kind of be bust down if these was yours. If. Yeah, nah, these would fit if you rolled this.
Yeah, get it
rolled and pulled. Here, smack that thing on, lower it. Go ahead, hit it. You're going the wrong way. Nah, make sure that thing is on there before you strip a nut.
It's on there, fool.
Stupid. Come on, blood. Jesus Christ. Remember that one dude that was that church dude? Bruh. Bro, what are you doing? Bro, what's going on here?
What? It's on there.
All right, lower it. Bruh.
Drop it.
We're gonna drop it hella hard.
For real?
Yep.
Come on, blood. Hell no. That's fucked up, nigga. That's crazy.
Drop that thing. You need a pull. A pull and it'll be fine because it ain't gotta get pulled that far.
Because it's just gonna come over, right?
Yeah, you just pull it. It literally needs to get pulled like maybe 5 millimeters at most, bruh. 5 millimeters. Once you clear the top, you good.
Yeah.
And honestly, I think it needs to be pulled anyway. Because when you pull this, it's gonna crack from whatever Twinkie did.
Yeah.
So it needs to get pulled out. That way it's not, because it looks like it's going inward this way. It's not even going flat or out some.
Yeah.
It's like going in the wrong way. So if that got pulled or even just reworked, then it would clear.
Yeah.
Let me see what the other side look like. Yeah, see, the other side look like it's out more than that side.
They do.
Should have tried it on the other side.
Well, still waiting, man. I did tell the man at a certain time, but a family emergency came up, so I kind of cut into his time, so now I gotta wait on him. So, just sitting there waiting, man, you know. But all these cars up here, man, y'all see the scene, you know. From the 350, from the 300, to the Mustang, to the other 350. Finally got the text. He at the gas station on his way. It should take him about 5 minutes, 5 to 10 minutes to get here. So, car is ready. Got it out from his corner that it was in. As y'all remember, it was over there. Now it's over here. Yeah, man. So yeah, he's on his way. And it's like, hey, man, for him to tell me on his way, this shit is like getting more and more excited for me, man. So yes, car is ready to go. Ready to get this bad boy wired up, so we get this fire up, so I can start addressing everything, man. I got new door handles. I got all brand new motors and stuff that goes around the car. I'm working on this right now. I know somebody that have these. What else I got? I gotta order these. So like I said, I have all the doors and everything. I have all weather strippers. I have the weather strippers for all around the car, all around from the windshields, all around to the hatch. So, and what else I got going on? You already know about the seats and everything, but yeah, all that is to come, man. Let's get this motor started and everything. So yeah, 5 hours later. Hey, you dropped your drink.
Oh, my ice is already gone.
Yes, he's finally here. Let's get this bitch done. I know some of y'all recognize this face when y'all see that Mustang out there, man. Don't turn your head down, bruh.
Another car.
Yeah, they probably know your face too.
On my Instagram, you don't see me.
Hey, he ain't lying. You don't see his face on Instagram, but you do see his work and you do see him slide.
So he was like, man, fuck that. I'm just going to stay at the donut pit. Oh, we don't
Well,
go back.
you know why? Because they set you up to where you gotta swing around right there.
Yeah, Robin thinks everybody's a great driver. Gives everybody
Yeah,
credit.
LS3 though, 500 horsepower.
Guys, we gonna run because I can barely see right here. Oh, you good? Just guide me in the front. I know I'm a little off.
You coming this way?
Oh, those
You good?
ramps gotta come in hella much.
Go where? This way still?
You
Yeah,
gotta
you
come
can.
hard.
Cause then you gonna turn back
What?
that way. Go in.
Yeah. He ain't got the wire.
See, you need a wide body.
Drift shoot, they stick out hella far. The rear barely ride up.
Well, shit, you got an angle on yours, don't you?
I mean, like, if you hilling up here, the rear tire, you know.
It's not gonna rub on this shit? Cause
We're
it's
about to
low?
find out. You know what? Hold on.
I think Lex got the same trailer. It's gonna
I'm
rub.
good right there.
Straight.
Right? Let me know when to turn.
Good. Turn that way a little bit. Slightly. Straight.
It's time for what everybody been waiting for. And she's on the trailer. Time for brain surgery. You know, so that's all I've been waiting for. And now y'all see the excitement, y'all see the smiles, man. She's on there off of brain surgery. So, till next time.